it's official. I'm finally going to WordCamp Euro 2026 in Poland. I'm quite excited about going, mainly because it's the first time I'm going to WordCamp. Hopefully I get to meet a lot of plugin developers and other people, influencers, content creators, friends, people I speak to quite a lot online, and actually now I get to meet them. But most of all, it's about the experience. Now, I have been a little bit negative in my feedback. Not feedback, that's the wrong word to say, because I've never actually been to WordCamp. But in terms of my assumptions and opinions and what I've picked up from people about WordCamp, and where I sometimes feel like it's a bit of a closed book. So I want to go and experience it a bit more. I'm not there to hold hands. I'm not there to, make lots of friends either. I'm not there to kind of get loads of deals or gimmicks or swag or promos. I'm not just there for that. I mean, if I get a promo or a USB stick, great. But I'm there to experience it. And I hope I come out of it very satisfied in terms of meeting people, talking. Maybe there may be some sponsorship business deals come out of it for the YouTube channel or me generally going forwards. But I hope I find that it is good generally for WordPress people. So if you're a WordPress, enthusiast, or you're someone who likes using certain plugins or features, would I encourage you to go to WordCamp? Or am I going to come away from it feeling that it still felt very cliched, nicheified, closed off, little groups, whatever? Did I find that maybe when people do speak to you, they form opinions of you as well? I mean, this is kind of hypocritical, isn't it? I'm forming opinions over people and how WordCamp generally is. And then I'm wondering, will people form opinions about me? And how do people find me? Are people going to approach me? Am I going to feel comfortable approaching people? Am I going to find that people look at me and go, oh, no, you're Elemental or whatever? I mean, I don't just use Elemental. I WordPress, problem solving and stuff like that. But what am I going to think and feel? And by the way, if you are going to WordPress and we do meet and greet and all that, I'm only there for one day. It's on 4th of June to the 6th of June. Make sure I got those dates right. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm only actually there for the Friday. I will get a plane and land there Thursday night, go off to the hotel, which is about 50 meters away from the Conference Center. So I'm well within walking distance of that. Land Thursday night. Friday, I'll be there all day. And then I fly back out Saturday morning. I could only not afford, but kind of, sacrifice about a day. Obviously, traveling time before and traveling time back. If I was there for 2 or 3 days, that would kind of affect basically a lot of stuff I do at home. Bit of work as well, but also looking after my son, which, I will save for another video one day. But WordCamp Europe 2026. I hope I see you. I hope we say hi. I may have my camera out, not just to take selfies, but to record. And I hope I get to go round every single booth there is. Even if I have no interest in a particular booth or a particular solution, I hope I still have the confidence to go over and find out who they are and what they're up to. Take care. See you soon. Bye.